Hey Measuring Hero, Jay here. We're here in Milan at the EMO show, and we went through the process of bringing a lot of our ZEISS Integration Series equipment here, so we thought we'd take the time to show you some of it, but more importantly, talk to some of the key players around this solution. So, we're here to meet Flavio. Flavio.
Hey Jay, glad to see you.
Nice to see you. Thank you for taking the time to show us the ZEISS Integration Series.
You're very welcome.
My friend, before we begin, can we start with who are you and what do you do?
For living in ZEISS.
Exactly.
Yeah, so I'm the local product specialist manager here for automation in ZEISS, Italy. And I'm an automation engineer, so I study automation. Wow. And my job here in ZEISS is to get the complex request for customer. Okay. So when the customer has some special request because they need something specific, customized, then it comes to me, and then that's where my job starts.
So you don't get the easy stuff, the off-the-shelf stuff. You get when it's difficult.
Yes, that's the tough one. Yes.
Are there any particular jobs or things that you have to do that are special for these customers? I mean,
yeah, but it depends, because the easiest one is when we talk about some standard solution. But then it comes also the problem when the customer needs something really designed for itself. Mm-hmm. So it's the hard part is to understand the needs of the customer and to find the right solution for them.
Right.
So it's a specific one. We need to design that and to create it together with the customer.
Right, and so that's where you come in. So as a service, we just not only just say, here's our equipment, good luck.
No, this is a solution designed for you 100%. Here, we brought the automated shuttle. Okay. So this is a standard solution, as I mentioned before, and this is designed for the customer that have like medium part. Okay. So not so heavy, you can handle maybe by hands or with a crank, but you can load it here with easy, in an ergonomic way. So you do not have to climb over the CMM, but just here, okay? Yeah. Very easy. And then you can load all the parts here. Very easy, take this one, okay? Then you say, okay, I load it. Then this one, and then again, push the button. And the system knows what to do. So
it shuttles over, it knows what to run, the Prismo knows.
Exactly, so you can forget it, and then the CMM, the solution, load everything and measure that. So great. Very easy.
All right, Flavio, I have a question about this, and this is great, especially if you want a Prismo. But what if you need a solution and it's not a Prismo or it's not something that you have?
Okay, so maybe we can talk about the Contura.
Sure.
Yes, so do you know about the augmented reality app?
Yeah, I've seen it quite some time ago. Do we have some?
Yes, so we have it here right now, and so you can choose whatever equipment you need, the Contura, the Prismo, or whatever. Just place it on your room. So with the augmented reality, you just select this, and then you place it. And then you can see if does it fit.
It fits in your space. You
yes,
can use
exactly,
it.
because footprint is very important, you know?
Yep.
And then also you can see this kind of cool stuff. You can add something like the enclosure for the Contura.
Oh, okay, so it's not just a static machine.
No, you can add whatever you want on the integration series. So you can, let's say, maybe to add the PAL system or again the enclosure or whatever. And you can see also some small video, some simulation on that.
Oh, so you really just amped up the augmented reality app to include not just simulations, but to see what and how it fits.
Yes, you can build your own metrology lab.
That's awesome.
Yes.
All right, Flavio, I do have a real question regarding return on investment, because you mentioned that your job is to create custom solutions that are maybe harder than the standard solutions.
Yeah.
So, are there any tools available for someone to just see if the investment is worth it.
Yes, I'm glad you asked, because this is an important thing. So we got the return of investment tool. I'm going to show you this.
Okay.
So you just pick up a CMM, let's say Contura. It's okay for you? Yeah.
Let's do it.
Okay. And then you need to type in how many days you're going to work with that.
Okay, sounds reasonable.
Yes. And then how many hours per week for employee? Let's say 40 hours per week.
Work week sounds good.
Okay. And how many shifts?
Let's do two. Shift two.
Okay. And then how much we pay for that? Let's say 40,000 euros. Okay, and here we are.
Oh wow, look at that.
We got after this, so you can see the comparison between the standard solution with standalone and with all the solution that we got. You can see the setup time of the operator, because of course the operator need to load and unload the parts, and then for example in the standard you got the utilization a little bit above the 50%.
Right.
But if you go down, you can see our solution and you increase the utilization of the CMM, and the cost of part decrease, and you have the break-even point, and so you can see with easy how many years you need to get back the investment.
Got it. So it's not just black magic, because I know sometimes you believe it will pay for itself, but here you can really see, based on the math, based on your increased productivity, your increased CMM utilization, just how long it will take.
Yes, exactly.
So, this is a great tool.
And if you change your mind, say, okay, I don't want anymore a Contura, I want a Prismo, just add it, and then you calculate again, and Prismo, for example.
Okay.
It's very easy, and then you
Perfect.
switch on Prismo. So
Great.
it's very easy.
Very, very easy. So Flavio, it sounds like what we've done with the ZEISS Integration Series is not only have really smart people like you to guide you through any hard applications, but we also have tools like the AR app to see if you can physically fit it in your space, and tools like the ROI calculator to know if it financially makes sense in your organization. We've really done a lot for customers to kind of work their way through what their journey is with ZEISS Integration Series.
Yes.
Flavio, thank you for taking the time to show this to us. I know you're very busy. You got a lot of customers to look after.
Yes, you've been very welcome whenever you want.
Okay, well, thank you so much. So we'll talk to you soon. And for you out there, we hope you enjoyed our brief little glimpse of the ZEISS Integration Series. Don't forget to stay safe and stay healthy. We'll see you next Thursday.